Hello and welcome back to Artisan Electrics. Jordan here. Thank you for joining us for today's special video, which is why you, yes you, should start a YouTube channel in 2021. Why would an electrician need a YouTube channel? Well, let me tell you a story of Artisan Electric's YouTube channel and how it has transformed our business. Think about advertising as a business. You might not think about YouTube, but it is the #1 free advertising in my opinion, and you need to get on it because it is the future of advertising. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what we've done, how it's grown our business massively in the last year or so, and how you can maybe do the same and benefit huge going on into the future. If you enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up, share it out with someone else who might benefit from it, and why not subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you'll get regular video updates from us. So let's get into it. So in 2016, when I set up my business, Artisan Electrics, I set up a YouTube channel. The only reason I did it was just to put my flag in the ground, to claim my space on YouTube, to claim my name, Artisan Electrics on YouTube, just like you do when you're setting up a business. I set up my Instagram profile, I set up my Twitter page, I set up Facebook, and I set up a YouTube channel. And that was it. I didn't really think much more about it. One day I posted a video of me unboxing my Fluke multifunction tester because I'd seen a few unboxing videos on YouTube and I thought, hey, maybe somebody will enjoy watching me unbox my new tester. So I put that on there and didn't get many views, but you know, it got a few. A few weeks or months later, I posted another video, which was me showing how to reset the immersion heater thermostat. You know, those little immersion heater covers, you take them off, and in the thermostat for the immersion heater, it's got a little button and you click it and it resets. And I had so many customers who used to just phone me saying, my immersion heater's not working anymore. I would go all the way out to their house, I would take the cover off, press the button, reset the thermal cutout, and the immersion heater would work again. And I thought I could just provide a bit of value to customers by making a little video that I can send to them so that they can try that first. Because if it is just a thermal cutout, 90% of the time, that's all it needs. It just needs resetting and then it'll be fine going forward. But if that doesn't work, then you know, I can come out and genuinely do some more investigation. So I made that little video, mainly just to help customers, but actually a lot of people on YouTube just started to watch it as well. That video started to get more and more views and people were saying, oh, thank you so much. You've solved my problem. I realized that this video created value for people. And then I started posting a few videos about my electrical work, just doing interesting little jobs, filming them on my phone or on my GoPro and just putting them out there. And those videos started to get some views as well, mainly from other electricians, which is probably why you're watching the channel now. It's because you found me because you're a curious electrician who likes to see how other people work. My videos eventually started to get views by potential customers as well. And this is where you come in, because what I've realized over the last year is that YouTube is a platform that enables you to reach thousands or even millions of potential customers. And if you set yourself up right on YouTube and create videos to show your work, to show the things that you do that are great, but only 1 or 2 people see them at the moment, if you can share that out to lots of other people, you create a whole new big customer base, which can generate a lot of new work for you. And that's what we found. Just by regularly posting videos over the last couple of years, what has happened now is that we'll post a video about an electric vehicle charging installation, for example, and customers see it. They're searching for getting an electric vehicle charging point installed, and they see us installing it and they go, oh, these guys are quite nice, they're quite friendly, they seem to do a good job. Why don't I call them and see if they can do my charging point for me? And the ball just starts rolling. So now we are at a point where we're getting inquiries every single day from potential customers asking us to install their electric vehicle charging points. And we get leads for other types of jobs as well, consumer unit changes, EICRs. In fact, this is the statistic that still kind of blows me away, but this is absolutely true. We get about 50% of our inquiries now through YouTube. And I would have never expected that when I started a YouTube channel. You can plow thousands and thousands of pounds into advertising in various websites, in newspapers, on radio, and never get that amount of return. But you can start a YouTube channel, put out a few high quality videos of the kind of work that you do to show off the high standard of work that you do, and that can get massive traction and help you to reach a huge audience for very little outlay at all. So how could you start? How do you go about starting a YouTube channel? Maybe it seems a bit overwhelming to some people. I know that for me at first, just putting out videos of myself on the internet for everyone to see is kind of a bit daunting, you know? We're not born in front of a camera, so it takes a bit of getting used to. But the advice that I would give now is just do it. Just make a few videos and just put them out there. If your goal is to just reach new potential customers, then do this. Just film some recent projects that you've done. Ask the customer for permission. Say, is it all right if I take a few minutes to film the project that we've done so that we can show it off to potential new customers? Just film like a few minute video, a case study of a recent job that you've done that you're really proud of, the kind of job that you'd like to get more of, you reaching the kind of customers that you want. Film it, make it look as nice as you can. Maybe do a little bit of easy editing with iMovie or something like that, or even employ an editor for a couple of hours to edit it for you. It's not that expensive and it will really pay off in the long run because you can create a virtual portfolio of work. In the past, we've always just had our website and it's not very interactive. You know, it's a website with pictures of our work and that's about it. But now you can create a video portfolio of your work where you can let the customer into the job that you've done and show them the details of the work that you've done. That is amazing and that is really game changing. I'll give you an example with a specific customer. So recently we did a job, made a YouTube video about it. You might have seen Corey and John working hard in this house. They stayed over in a hotel for a couple of nights because it was quite a big job. The customer, guess where they found us? On YouTube. And the customer said something really interesting. He said that they did research and they found us on YouTube and they watched some of our videos and they felt like it was a better recommendation to be able to watch us working on YouTube than even like a recommendation from a friend, because they could actually see us working. You know, you might get a recommendation from a friend and they say, yeah, this electrician's great, but you can't actually see what they're like or what their work is like. You can only trust that friend. And that friend might not necessarily be fully informed. We get that story sometimes from customers where they say, oh, I got recommended an electrician by my friend, but it turned out it was a bit of a nightmare and stuff like that. Whereas when you can see the person who's going to come into your home, see the type of work that they do and the quality of their work, that is unique. You know, that is an amazing thing. And that can build confidence in the service that you're going to receive from that business that you're employing. And that's what customers have said to us now. More and more, they find us on YouTube, and what happens is, in order to get someone to buy your services, what do you have to do? You have to get them to know, like, and trust you, basically. That's like key in sales, is get them to know, like, and trust you. And that takes time, usually. You know, when a customer phones you, it's your rapport with them over the phone. It's how you deal with them, the quote visit and stuff like that. But with YouTube, the customers are getting to know, like, and trust us before they've even met us, because they see us on the videos. And so by the time they're ready to phone us, they already know, like, and trust us, and they just want us to do the job. All they want to know basically is how much is it going to cost and when can you do it. That is so powerful, and it saves a lot of hard work trying to sell your services and convince a customer that they should pick you instead of Joe Bloggs from down the road who will offer it for, you know, 100 quid cheaper or whatever. Price kind of gets taken out of the equation because customers want quality, and they've already decided that you are the solution to that problem of wanting a quality installation, and they feel confident in you. And the other thing you can do then with those videos once they're on YouTube is you can embed them into your website. So what we've done is we've created service pages on our website. So for example, electric vehicle charging installations, we've got one specific page on our website about that service that we offer. And embedded into that is a video, because people don't read now. They have short attention spans. They want to see. They want to see something and they want a quick summary of what it's about. So if you can show them a video, a couple of minutes of an install that you did, that will sell your services for you over and over again. And that's what we're finding now, is that when customers approach us, we've not even talked to them yet, but already they're sold on having us do their installation, because we have been selling to them without even realizing, because they've been watching our videos. And it's like every time they watch our video, it's another bit of convincing to them of why they want us to do the job for them. It's so powerful. You film a video once and that video will sell for you over and over and over again. So it's a really worthwhile investment for your business. So why not try it? If you haven't done so already, stake your claim on YouTube, just put your business name in there, set up a YouTube account at least, and then maybe post 1 or 2 videos. And if you'd like to know more how to really grow and really benefit your business with YouTube, I am working on a YouTube masterclass for electricians, for people who want to leverage the power of YouTube to grow their electrical contracting business. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can sign up to that course. It's still a work in progress at the moment, but I'd love it if you register your interest. That will motivate me to get the course finished for you guys and get it ready. So head to the link in the description if you'd like to be a part of that online course, where I will help you through that journey of starting and growing your own YouTube channel. The other amazing thing about YouTube, not a lot of people realize this, is that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. What do I mean by that? Well, Google is the #1 search engine, right? That's become like a household name now. If you want to learn about something, you Google it. Well, guess what? YouTube is owned by Google. And what Google and YouTube do is they work together like this. For example, if you Google something, what you will find now often is that Google sends you YouTube videos at the top of the search listing. So in the past, as a business owner, it's always been about SEO. You hear this term a lot, SEO, search engine optimization. What is it? It's all about getting your business ranked at the top of Google, so that if someone searches electrician Bognor Regis, then they find you before anyone else because you're at the top of the search rankings, right? YouTube works to help you get up to the top of that search ranking too. So for us now, if you Google Electricians Cambridge, guess who is right up there on the listings? It's us, because we have so many videos on YouTube. It helps our website to rank higher in the organic Google search listings too. So something to never take for granted is the power of YouTube videos to actually boost you to the top of Google's search rankings as well. But not only that, nowadays, what do people do if they want to search for something? They search it on YouTube. If they want to learn something, they search it on YouTube. If they want to find something, they search it on YouTube. So, maybe you've been looking for a great restaurant in somewhere that you're going on holiday. You might have searched on YouTube and you might have found some kind of food vlogger who's been telling you how great this restaurant is. And maybe then you went to that restaurant, right? It's the same kind of thing now for electricians. People are searching for a specific service and researching it. They will often search in YouTube. For example, electric vehicle charging point installation. People who search that in YouTube now, they will find our videos. Smart home installation, smart thermostat installation, consumer unit replacement, electrical installation condition report, whatever your services are that you're really trying to push, that you want more of, create a video with that as the title, in the description, some keywords based around that, make some tags that fit in with those keywords as well. And if you've got your location in there as well, you'll quickly start to rank for your location for that service. And Google is so clever. The Google algorithm is just amazing. It's scarily clever. So it will know that you are offering this service because it can see your YouTube videos. It can even read and understand what you're saying in those YouTube videos. And based on all of that information, it can rank you higher in the Google search engine too. So never take for granted the fact that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. It's magic. YouTube is amazing and you should never take it for granted. Hope this video has been interesting to you. If it has, I'd love it if you hit a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.